boys and girls. I'm so glad that you've joined us for some fun in the kitchen. And today, I have some special helpers. I have Mr. Ben.
Hi!
I have Miss Sofiya.
Hi!
I have Miss Rachel.
Hi!
And I have Mr. Seth.
Hi!
And today, boys and girls, we're going to be making No Cluck Cluck Casserole.
No Cluck Cluck Casserole.
What do you think I mean when I say No Cluck Cluck Casserole?
We have fake chicken in it.
We have vegan chicken in it. We don't have real chicken, so we don't have any cluck cluck. Do you guys like that?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, let's get started. You're going to like this, boys and girls, and don't worry about writing it down. You can go on our Tiny Tot website and you can get the recipe later, okay? Okay, we're going to start with, I've already sauteed our onions and celery. Does anybody know how to tell if an onion is cooked till it's done?
It's like a greenish whitish.
Well, what you see here is the green, that's celery that I've mixed with the onion. But you see how clear the onion gets? It gets really kind of almost, we call it translucent, but it gets kind of clear. Instead of the bright white that you see when you cut an onion, that's how you know that you've cooked an onion. What do you think of that, Seth?
I didn't know that.
You did it? Well, you're learning, huh? Okay, put your onion in your bowl. And you know what? Sofiya can get, here, Ben, let Sofiya help you with this. Here, Sofiya, use your spatula, and Rachel, you help Seth. Hold the bowl, Seth, and you want to use your spatula, boys and girls, so that you can get all of your onion and celery out of the bowl. We don't want to waste, do we?
No.
We don't waste food, Okay, now you're going to need, let's see, girls, you can put in, good job. Girls, you can put in our chopped walnuts.
Definitely.
And boys, you can put in our vegan chicken. And I don't hear it clucking, do you?
No.
Cluck, 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 cluck. Okay, now what I need you to do is, you guys work together. Here's some water. And I want you to each add, thank you, Sofiya. This is our McKay's vegan chicken style seasoning, okay?
Okay.
So I want you each to add a tablespoon. Okay, set the water down and add it into your water. So take a tablespoon, Seth, and then pass it to Rachel.
Miss Cinda, I'm measuring with my knife.
Good job. Make sure you, no, Seth. We're going to put it in our water. But remember to use your knife and level it off?
And make sure to use the back side.
Yeah, that's right. Use the back side. Thank you, Ben. Okay, now put it in the water. Now, Rachel, can you do the same thing? And then let's help Sofiya do it. Sofiya, can you get your...
I already put a tablespoon in there.
Okay, here, Sofiya. You put, nope, this one. This is a tablespoon. Tablespoon's a big one. Now, let me look at my recipe, because we're going to need to add the broccoli. Here, Ben, you can put the broccoli in. Rachel, put the broccoli in. And let's see what else we need. Oh, you know what I forgot? I forgot to get the nutritional yeast flakes. Ben, could you run there's a cupboard, in that spice cupboard right by the sink. Could you go get me some nutritional yeast flakes?
What do they look like, Miss Cinda?
Well, it'll say, well, I might even have it in a little bowl, but if it's in a jar, it'll say nutritional, N-U-T-I. You can look at that, okay? And it's yeast flakes. It's kind of yellowish, kind of flaky. Did you get a whole tablespoon in there? Good job. Okay, while Ben's getting our nutritional yeast flakes, you guys can stir this up. You stir it up. You can take your knife or you can take your a measuring spoon and just stir this up. We're making like a broth, boys and girls. Stir it up. Good job.
So I stick at the bottom.
Hey,
This looks like a lemonade.
It does kind of look like lemonade, doesn't it? Except it has little green herbs in it, and I bet you lemonade doesn't have that. You think it does? Let me see, Ben. Oh, perfect. That's it. You want to see it? Smell it and see? That's exactly what I needed. Can you put in 1 tablespoon? And, no, 2 tablespoons, I'm sorry. Boy, I need to read the recipe, don't I, boys and girls? That's important, isn't it? That's right. Okay, you're gonna need, find your 1/4 a teaspoon. This is a 1/4 a teaspoon, and put in a 1/4 a teaspoon. You can put it right in the water. And you can get the sage and put a 1/4 a teaspoon. And then, this is thyme. Can you find the 1 teaspoon? Where's the 1 teaspoon? Oh, did you already do one, Sofiya? Okay, yours is going to have a lot of sage in it. Do you like sage? Smell it. It smells good, doesn't it? Oh, she likes sage. Do 4 of those, because I can't find the teaspoon. So just do 4 of those. Ben, can you help Sofiya do 4 of the thyme? And good job, Rachel. You can stir that up now. Oh, let me see. We're almost done. We need...
Miss Cinda, what are we going to do? Gonna
put it right in here. You need 4 of those. Put it right in here. And then, Rachel, you need 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast flakes, and you can just put that in there. And Seth, while you're waiting, did you put 4 of those in?
No, that's 1.
You just put 1? Okay, put in 2 more. Or 3 more. There's 1. Now put in 2 more. You want this one. And you'll want to put 2, and you can put it right in here. And then, Ben, can you stir up your mixture with your big spatula? And Sofiya, you can stir this up, okay? And then you can pour your liquid into your casserole, okay, boys and girls? Okay, that's okay. There you go, see?
I'll do it.
There you go.
You need to get that.
There you go. Okay, you can put that right in there. And then, now Seth, you can get your spatula and start stirring your mixture, okay? So stir it up.
1 or 2?
2.
Miss Cinda, I like this green stuff.
You love, what is that?
Broccoli.
Yes, that's broccoli. You can pour that in there now, Sofiya. Let's move that over closer, Ben, to Sofiya. There you go. Good job. And Rachel, you can pour yours in now. And
The water.
oh, you know what?
Cinda, my Uncle Keith hates onions.
He does. Do you know what? I don't like raw onions, but I like cooked onions. But I don't like them raw.
Well, he hates raw onions.
Let me get our almond milk, boys and girls, because we're going to need that for our recipe, okay? Let's see. We're almost done. Okay, Ben, could you help Sofiya? You hold the rice bowl, Ben, and let Sofiya use the spatula and scoop this into here, Sofiya. And Seth, could you hold this and let Rachel scoop the rice out?
Cinda, put the rice in the other bowl or the...
There you go, Rachel.
Or the rice
No,
in that bowl?
put this in here. So hold this over here. Now help scrape it in. There you go. Good job, guys. You guys are really good in the kitchen. Good job.
Listen, I'm gonna actually table something that you shake.
Yeah, I did.
Miss Cinda, this is warm rice.
Oh, I know. I just got through cooking it right before you guys came. And now you're gonna. Oh, could you get our liquid measuring cups too? They're in that cupboard by the sink, Ben. Because we need to put in a 1/2 cup of the almond milk, and this is the original flavor almond milk. Yes. Oh. Have you guys tasted brown rice before? No. You can taste it if you want. Do you want to taste it? Oh, I love brown rice. It's delicious. You guys can taste it. Okay, now, Ben, you want to measure, find your half cup and measure a half cup. You guys can stir all that up together. Sofiya, you can stir this all up, okay? You're going to need big muscles. Good job. Now get right to the bottom. Here, Sofiya, let me show you. Let me show you. I'll help you. Go right to the bottom like this and turn it. See how we're doing that? And turn it and get all this stuff up the bottom.
I got exactly a half cup.
Good job. Okay, Rachel, do you want to get exactly a half a cup? Here, no, excuse me a minute, Seth. Find your, see where it says a half a cup right there? So you're going to pour it right to there.
There's too much in it.
You want me to help you? And then you can pour it in. Okay, hold your finger on the line. Okay, remember to set it down because you want to have it on a flat surface, boys and girls. Tell me when I'm there.
There.
Okay, pour it in. Now stir it all up, guys, and we'll put it in our casserole dishes, okay? Make sure you get to the bottom and stir it up good, okay? You want to get all of it really
Cinda,
combined. What?
most of the rice, there's more rice than other stuff.
Well, yes. Did you guys taste the brown rice? Did you like it?
I did.
Did you like it?
That's our kitchen timer, Miss Cinda.
Oh, that means we're almost out of time, boys and girls. We're gonna pour it into our casseroles. I'm gonna give you each a casserole and let you pour it in, okay? So, Ben, maybe you could help. There you go. I'm gonna go like this. And Sofiya, can you get this spatula?
This?
Here, Sofiya. Wait, Ben. Ben, just wait a minute. Because I don't want you to dump it out. Okay, so Sofiya, you can scoop it out. There you go. Okay, Seth, you want to hold it and let Rachel help scoop it out and pour it right into here. Doesn't this look good, boys and girls? Okay, tip it up, Seth. Good job. Now, take your spatula and spread it all out. And guess what? Miss Cinda has made one already, and you're going to get to see what it looks like all baked.
Is it heavy?
Oh, I better get a pot holder because it's hot in there. Oh, I don't want to burn myself, do I?
No.
That's right. Oh, who wants to taste this?
Me.
Look at this. I'm going to put it down on it. Don't touch this because it's a little hot, okay? Look at that. Who wants to try our No Cluck Cluck Casserole?
Me.
Oh! Ben, could you go to the cupboard and get me some bowls or plates? And we'll get to try it. Ooh! You're going to love it. Oh, that's all the time we have for now, boys and girls. You can make this at your house and then you can try it too. And always remember, anytime you can be in the kitchen, it's fun.